If you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, click the join button below my videos. If you're an iOS user, click the link in the info box and you'll be able to sign up from there. Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these super sparkly rainbow bling nails. They are just so cute. So for this look, I'm using Long Hair Pretty Nails clear acrylic, and I'll be forming these nails using these pink extra long nail forms. These are my favorite. As you guys know, I've been using these for quite some time. I picked these up from Amazon and I will definitely leave the link down below. You can definitely do this look with tips. I just prefer to sculpt. So I do get questions about how I put my nail forms on, so I thought I would leave this bit in here showing you guys how I do that. Alright, so after all of the nail forms are on, I'm going to go in with a Gelish pH Bond, and this is a nail prep and nail dehydrator. Next, I'm going in with the Harmony Pro Bond, and this is a acid-free primer. So once that is applied, I'm just going to go in with the clear acrylic and I'm going to form the nail. I basically formed all of these nails using the clear acrylic, so yeah, that's pretty much it. The brush I'm using is the Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 Oval Kolinsky brush. Unfortunately, I am sold out, so yeah, I will let you guys know when we are back in stock. Alright, so once I have this nail formed, I'm just going to move on to the next and repeat the same steps. So like I said before, you can definitely use tips if you choose to. I just prefer to sculpt because it's just my preferred method, but you know, you can do what works for you. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this awesome face mask that I got from Poochie's Nails, and mine says relax your hands. She has I believe 6 different masks, and it has cute sayings and stuff on them. But these protect you from nail dust, from fumes. It has a filter in there that is interchangeable as well, and it's washable and breathable, and I really like it. I guess just my extended exposure to monomer, I started to get a headache, so it no matter if it's low odor or not, it's just monomer smells like monomer. So these face masks definitely come in handy and also makes the application that more comfortable. So this is what my nails look like after I have applied all of the acrylic and it has set, remove the nail forms, and now I'm going in with my shaping and filing. So as always, I like to do majority of my shaping and filing with my hand file. I use a 100/180 grit nail file, and I start off on the 100 grit side and I just clean up the sides and make sure the tip is sharp, and then I smooth over the nail just to get rid of any of the bumps or dips or anything in there. And then I flip the file over and file over that with the 180 grit side to get the scratches out. So this is what the nails look like after I've done all of my hand filing, and I'm just going to remove the dust. And as you guys can see, I'm using my favorite nail dust collector. Although I've been contemplating, Valentino is having a sale now, so I'm just like, but I still can't get myself to spend that much. But anyway, so now I go in with my medium safety bit and I work this around the cuticle areas, and I just do this to further seal in that acrylic so there aren't any areas that could lift or anything like that. Just make everything smooth, make it look like it's my nail. You know what I'm saying? So after going around the cuticle areas with my medium grit safety bit, I just go over each nail with my orange buffing block to smooth out the nails. So this is what the nails look like after I have filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with a combination of Poochie's Nails Bling Gel and the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And this is my absolute favorite combination in keeping my crystals on. When I do this method, they do not fall off at all. They actually are really hard to take off. So I start off with a layer of the bling gel and I apply that, and then without curing I apply the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and then I apply my crystals. So first I start off with the iridescent crystals and I just apply these all over. I'm actually using 3 sizes, the small, medium, and large, and I start off with the large and medium size first, and I kind of just place those randomly where I want them to be, and then I use the small size to fill in the gaps. And I apply all of this with my Crystal Katana rhinestone picker. So this is what the nail looked like after all of the bling, and I just go ahead and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So next I move on to the index finger and I apply the same bling gel and top coat as I did before. And now I'm applying the Rose Iridescent Crystals. This is one of the new colors that are now available at longhairprettynails.com. And I just love this color, and I basically just applied this the same way that I did the iridescent crystals. And this is how it looks after it is all crystallized, and just beautiful. So I go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna swing back to my ring fingernail. After my gel combination is applied, I'm going in with the lemon iridescent crystals, and this is also one of the new colors, and this is just a beautiful color. I love the color shifts. It's like you see yellow, you see green, and some lights you see flecks of blue. It's just so pretty. So yeah, I basically just apply this the same way, and this is what it looks like after it is just all crystallized and just so beautiful. I had a hard time getting through this set because I just was so excited. I just kept like screaming and just like, oh my god, and I was like talking to my husband like, do you see this? And he's like, yes, I do. He was not excited as I was. But anyway, I move on to my middle finger, and I am using the Fire Iridescent Crystals, and these are so gorgeous. Basically apply those the same way. And cure in my LED lamp, and I just can't get over how beautiful these crystals are. Finally, I move to my thumbnail, and I'm going to apply the Sapphire Iridescent Crystals, and they are just so beautiful. This blue is just to die for. So once all of the crystals are placed, I do my final cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. After the nails have cured and I allow them to cool down, I go ahead and apply my cuticle oil, and this is the finished look. OMG, like, have you ever seen anything so beautiful? I have been wanting to do a full blinged out nail set for a while, but I'm really glad that I waited until I had more color crystals available, because I think the rainbow look is just so pretty. So as you can see, what I was going for was like a gradient, rainbow effect, starting from the clear and going all the way down to the deep blue color. So I just love this set, and I actually put primer and everything on because I'm gonna keep these nails on for as long as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.